Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is essay. Essay is a piece of composition to produce a unified, balanced and coherent piece of writing. You are well aware essay because from the first year, second year and now even you always come across a question regarding essay, and you are to produce your thoughts, your ideas on some specific topic. You are to choose one topic among the 3 or 4 topics, and this topic is usually you choose that is related to your bent of mind, your interest and your experience. The topic attracts your attention itself, and you start writing on the given topics fluently and smoothly if you have the basic knowledge, if you have thinking capacity, if you have your ideas about that topic, about that theme. It is an effort to put into words one's own ideas and thoughts on a given subject or theme. Again, it is an effort to put into words one's own ideas and thoughts on a given subject or theme. It is not expected while you are writing an essay that you produce stereotype of tutored material, the material that you have crammed from a newspaper, from any text, from any book. Rather, it is expected that whatever you are producing, these are your original thoughts. In fact, the demand of the essay is to take up your inner self, what you are thinking on, what are your hidden ideas, what is your approach, what is your capacity, and what is your information about the given theme or the subject. In fact, it is an effort to try yourself to take up your hidden material, your hidden thoughts. So originality is the first condition of the essay. You are to produce your original thoughts, not thoughts that are borrowed from a book, from any other source. It does not mean that you have not any knowledge about the given subject, about the given theme. In fact, your thoughts, your ideas, they are not original in the real sense. These are the thoughts that you shape out, you make out into your mind, into your subconscious by a continuous reading, by continuous struggle, by consulting different newspaper, different books. But you don't just cram them, rather they base your opinion, they form your opinion, they form your thoughts. And these thoughts that you have made into your mind, these are expected to bring out into an essay. It is a technique to arrange one's thoughts in an organized and well ordered manner. Your essay should be organized, it should not be haphazard or dispersed. Your ideas should be in a unified form, in a good organized manner. So while the reader is reading whatever you have produced into your essay, he should not feel that you are a disturbed personality. Rather, he should take up the opinion that you are well versed, you are well mannered, you are well organized personality, you have the power, you have the power to convince others, you have the power to produce your thoughts, to convey your opinion into an organized manner and convince the audience, and you can convince the people. Essay is a good tool devised to check the mental horizon, thoughts and approach of the candidates in the competitive exams. This is very important thing. Although different type of paper, different type of questions are arranged in the competitive exams, but these are the MCQ type questions, are sometime these your answers are based on prose type paragraph, but essay is a distinctive part of the competitive exam. Sometimes a separate paper is fixed or arranged in the competitive exams, and the reason is the same, that the authorities, they do not want to select the duffer, the dumb and the lazy set of candidates. Rather, they want to select broad-minded, well-versed, well-mannered, broad-minded candidates who have the power to express themselves, who have the power to face the public, who have the power to convince the media, can convince the people, and they can not only defend themselves, rather they can also defend their departments, their organization in a good way, in a good manner, because they have the vocabulary, they have the grip on grammar, they have the grip on the composition, and they have also the plenty of knowledge that idealizes him and that differentiates him from the rest of the candidates. So dear student, this was the general introduction of an essay. So now we come to the types of essays. As we have discussed or learnt into the paragraph writing, so essay is the developed form of the paragraph. Paragraph is somewhat a limited piece of composition, and the expanded form of composition is the essay. Different type of paragraphs, they build up essays. So paragraph is a unit and essay is its developed form. Many paragraphs, because you do not express your opinion into just one paragraph into an essay, rather you bring out the brighter and the darker side of any topic, and you bring out the information into different set of paragraphs. So its kinds, its types are similar to the paragraph. There are almost 6 type of essays. Number 1 is expository essay. Number 2, persuasive essay. Number 3, descriptive essay. Number 4, narrative essay. Number 5, imaginative essay. And number 6 is reflective essay. So dear student, this was the introduction of the essay, and I have mentioned the types of the essays. You might be aware of most of the things about essay, because you are trying it and you are using this sort of composition into different classes. So we will discuss the types of essay into our next lecture. inshallah. You should learn this material. You should also make a research about essay yourself. So we shall inshallah discuss the types of essay into our next lecture. Okay, thank you, take care. Inshallah we shall meet very soon.